During World War I, the United States government tried to rename hamburgers as Liberty sandwiches. But the people rose up against it. The government agreed to back down with the one condition that in the future, the citizens of the United States subscribe to One Plate Gourmet for regular weekly content and the best ingredient recipes. Welcome back to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we are going to be making one-handed sliders, a challenge issued to me by a friend. Let's begin, shall we? Mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, Monstuer cheese, lettuce, freshly cut, salt, pepper, slider buns, Hawaiian slider buns, and ground beef. We'll start by seasoning our ground beef with a generous amount of kosher salt and black pepper, making sure to turn the pepper grinder the right way. Next, with our hand, just mix in that salt and pepper with the beef. Start making beef shapes in the size of a large ping pong ball, because I don't play golf. And using 3 fingers, remember to pat them down. Actually, scratch that. Let's call them table tennis balls. They sound way more competitive that way. But I digress. Next, heat up your frying pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat and then lay in your patties 4 at a time and let them cook for 4 minutes depending on thickness without touching them. You touch them too much, they fall apart, and the heat inconsistencies won't allow them to cook properly or evenly, especially since they are really thick sliders. You can tell that they're done on one side when you get some nice browning. Go ahead and flip them, and then at this point, add in your cheese slices and let them cook on that side for another 4 minutes. Once that's done, struggle to remove them all whilst using one hand ever so graciously and set them aside to let them rest. Next, repeat the same process for the rest of the patties, making sure to remember how well you want them cooked. 6 to 8 minutes for medium and 10 to 12 minutes if you like your kids controlling your thermostat. Now let's make our sauce using our mayonnaise. This is very hard. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, a couple of squeezes of lemon juice, approximately 2 teaspoons worth, and then just mix it together homogeneously with a fork till you get a consistency as such. Now, with your sauce saucy and your burgers well rested, we can plate up. Start with your lettuce on each bottom bun. Then lay your baby burgers, as they call them in Wisconsin, on top of your lettuce and bun. Then just top it off with your sauce. No amount is too great or too small for these sliders. Then, as you place your bun on top, don't forget to follow suit with your toothpicks. They really hold it all together, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. As always, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up there. If you want to see more, go ahead and click down there. And as always, thanks for watching.